How do subglacial lakes move ice sheets? Imagine a vast sheet of ice covering the polar regions, slowly creeping over the land. Beneath this icy blanket, hidden lakes sit quietly, but they can have a big impact on how the ice moves. These bodies of water are called subglacial lakes, and they are found mainly in Antarctica and Greenland. They form when heat from the Earth's interior and the pressure from the thick ice above cause melting at the bottom of the ice sheet. The melted water collects in depressions on the bedrock, creating lakes that can be isolated or connected through a network of channels. When water builds up in these lakes, it acts like a lubricant, reducing the friction between the ice and the land underneath. This makes it easier for the ice above to slide over the bedrock, speeding up the movement of the entire ice sheet. This process is known as basal sliding. Sometimes, these lakes are not stable and can suddenly drain, releasing a large volume of water into the subglacial system. When this happens, new channels can form or expand beneath the ice, further decreasing friction and causing the ice to accelerate even more. These drainage events can lead to short bursts of faster ice flow, called surges, which can last 4 days or weeks. Water from one subglacial lake can also flow into another, or move from the interior of the ice sheet toward its edges. This organized movement of water connects different parts of the ice sheet, so a change in one lake can influence ice movement for a way. The presence of water at the base of the ice sheet also affects ice streams, which are fast-moving corridors within the ice. When water accumulates or drains from these lakes, it can cause ice streams to start, stop, or shift position. This dynamic behavior helps shape the overall flow pattern of the ice sheet. When water from these lakes reaches the edge of the ice sheet, it can flow into the ocean, contributing to sea level rise. The movement of water beneath the ice can also weaken ice shelves, which are floating extensions of the ice sheet. If the ice shelves become thinner or break apart, it can speed up the flow of the ice sheet into the ocean. In simple terms, subglacial lakes influence ice sheet movement by acting as lubricants, causing surges, and connecting different parts of the ice sheet through water flow. These processes are key to understanding how polar ice responds to climate change and how it might affect sea levels in the future.